Here's a 2005 Ford Mustang GT convertible. It was for sale at Gateway Classics in Orlando, but looking it up, it's not appearing in their inventory anymore. So my guess is that it's sold. This very nice condition here, and relatively low mileage, as you'll see in the sticker in the windshield. Nice black interior. It's hard to get a good picture in the interior spaces of this showroom, but this will have to suffice. It has a 5-speed manual with a 4.6-liter engine and the usual power accessories. Nice wheels, original, looks like. And now you're going to see its equipment here. 76,000, is it? 177 miles. So, if you want to double check on that, whether it's been sold or not, you can always call Gateway Classics or look on their website. But I'd call because right now the car isn't on the website, so my guess is it's sold. Very nice, and the top looks in great condition too, which is always a bonus with a convertible.